Today I want to show you how to adjust the color by one click in Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, let's start. At first go to the window and open the layer panel. Then click and drag to duplicate the layer. Now go to the filter and choose camera raw filter. Now open the color option and select a shot here. Then click the eyedropper tool and select here like this. It's automatically adjust the color. Then click OK. That's well. This is the result. If you want to practice this tutorial, mention in the comment. Okay guys, hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.